And lastly, our award-winning document cameras. Qomo Hitevision is in America, and actually this is our most popular product. And we have actually a lot of different options. These are just 4 models that I've picked out to show you. So let's first start with the QP10, our portable document camera. So basically this is a very small option, offering 16 times optical zoom and 8 times digital zoom. One thing important with our document cameras, it has autofocus. You can immediately put a document under the lens and it'll focus it right for you. So basically what these are is a digital upgrade from overhead projectors. With overhead projectors, we've all seen them before. We have to take work and put them onto clear sheets. But with this, we can actually use pages or 3-dimensional objects. And instead of sending light through the information, we can take a picture of it from on top of it, which means we actually can do a lot more different possibilities with it, options. We can rotate the image, manipulate the image, a lot of interesting things. One interesting thing that we have is a split screen function and a title capture. So if you'd like to compare 2 objects at the same time, we can actually put one there, split the image and freeze that, and then put another one in there for side-by-side comparison. Also a title capture. Normally the title of an article or a newspaper would be on the top. We can freeze that top part so that the students always know what's going on with what you're presenting. We can actually also save the images under there through a USB connection onto your computer. It's Mac compatible and also comes with a remote control. With the QP10, it actually folds up together for easy storage and carrying ability. And with this one, we give you a carrying case. So that's our small portable model. The QD700 is actually the most popular model we sell. It's a great all-around camera because it gives a lot of different things and an incredibly powerful zoom. At 22 times optical and 10 times digital, we can go directly into the smallest things, make them this large, and show them with complete clarity. With a CCD uptake at 30 frames per second, we can actually also create videos. Maybe you're a scientist and you're doing a dissection, you can record that and save it for your students. The 700, along with all the other full-size models, comes with the split screen functions, the title functions, everything like that. That comes standard. Now back with overhead projectors. What happens when you move that information? It shakes and it becomes unclear. After a while, we've actually found that this can cause headaches for some students. So actually, we fixed this problem, and something unique with us is a motorized camera head. With the motorized camera head, we can actually scroll from the top of a document down to the bottom, all while keeping the image completely clear and not causing any shaking. Like the others, it comes with a USB capture program to save images, also is Mac compatible. And actually, you can actually control your projector from the document camera with a coding device. So if your projector is installed in the ceiling, you don't have to climb on tables or anything to push buttons. You can control it from here. Our new 3000 series is really a great series that we've included with a lot of different options. The 2 most popular models I'm going to show you now. This is the 3300, offering a 1.3 CMOS image sensor. CMOS sensor is actually the heart of our 3000 series. And basically what this does for images, it makes really good clarity. It doesn't have as high a frame rate as the 700, but for images that we leave there, this is incredible. This one has a 10 times optical zoom and a 5 times digital. But even if you go into the digital zoom, it's still going to hold that clarity. With the 3000 series, we actually have plug-and-play drivers. So with our older document cameras, although they're more popular, they needed an installation of a driver to work with a computer. And we don't have to go through that here. Comes complete with all the other options. PC compatibility, Mac compatibility, projector control, and now its better counterpart, the 3700. This offers superior clarity for documents and imaging. With a higher CMOS image sensor, we can actually get closer in to smaller objects and see them like we would look at them from the distance to our hand. And at the same time, always offering the features for the other cameras, like their motorized camera head, USB capture device. Also, an interesting feature for this, we offer a video scaler free inside the camera. What this does is actually takes the input for whatever you're putting through it and increases the image quality. One interesting thing with our document cameras is that it can actually be a hub for all your input devices. Through one full-size camera, you can connect 2 computers, a projector, a VCR or DVD, and other options like that. And actually with the video scaler, we can take an old VHS system and it'll upgrade the image quality when it projects out. And basically what that does, having a hub, is it's going to save you a lot of money in the cables, splitters, connection devices, and installation costs that you would have in a classroom with all the other options. So I actually like to show you a few things that you can do with the camera right now. Right now I have my computer hooked through the camera, but I can switch with one button, and that's live. Now I've actually come prepared with a little sample of things that teachers can use. So for different subjects, we can put different objects under here and zoom in to actually work with everything that we have, allowing all of our students to view the same thing at the same time. So basically what this can do is instead of creating a copy for all students, we can have one copy and share it with the entire class. Or maybe we're going through art with different colors. We can serve the color quality. Maybe we're teaching science. With our lamp feature, we can actually turn the backlight on, shining light through the objects. So if you have a microscope slide, this can actually function like that as well. And notice we still hold the image quality. I'm in digital mode now, but we can zoom out a little bit and retain that. And these are just some examples of the things you can do. The negative feature, if you're teaching photography, film strips, we can actually reverse the polarity and make negative images stand out. If a classroom is thinking about upgrading the technology they have, every classroom should at least have a document camera. The cost-saving features alone make this a good choice. And you can control it from a remote control. So allow me to present to you the Qomo Interactive Classroom, connecting the audience response system, writing tablets, document cameras, and the whiteboard. With this, we can actually take one page of information, put it through the document camera, project it onto the whiteboard, work with it, make changes to it, highlight certain things, and then test our students on what they learned instantly. So we offer the whole solution, but also different bundles for basically what your customers would like. But the entire solution together makes learning a very powerful tool. Your classroom more innovative, more interactive, and basically a lot easier for your students to get better grades.